sliceable non-dairy cheese made with cashew. These are the ingredients. And so let's get going. The cashews, lemon juice, nutritional yeast. I need a spoon for this. This is the tahina. Salt. I've been assured that the salt is not too much. Here's cayenne and paprika and garlic. Dijon mustard. I've got some coconut oil. And the carrot, which will be for color. Okay, let's get this on. Okay, so that's done now. Here we go. We've got 1 cup of water here. We've got the agar-agar. I'm going to pour the agar-agar in here. I'm going to stir it up. Keep on stirring it until it starts to boil. And we'll boil it for 1 minute. This is amazing stuff, this agar-agar. It's like gelatine, but it's made with the seaweed. It's now starting to boil, and so we boil it for 1 minute. 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, 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 beep. Turn it off.